Now, in the quest to unravel the high cost of power in the country, today Parliament's Energy Committee questioned the independent power producer, that's Rabai Power, which received 39 million euros in revenue stream from the Kenya Power and Lighting Company, a state the committee is claiming is adding to the high cost of power in the country.
Agreeing like your colleagues is that capacity charge is payment for the capacity to dispatch. You never dispatch, but you have this capacity to dispatch, but you never dispatch. But you have to be paid as per the agreement. Is that what it is, capacity charge is all about? The 2.6 is that you receive money, 2.6 billion as capacity charge, which was never supplied.
It's not a small matter. Even if this committee will not, even if they do it on the floor of the House, we will indict the government of Denmark and Netherlands. Why are you paid? Tell us why were you paid 2.6 billion? Chairman, this government must tell us, how did you receive? Did you supply first? If you say no, this money is for what? And go on record that it was there to service your loans.
This is an investment of almost 150 billion.
Yeah.
And to recoup that investment, that is the kind of arrangement all these IPPs, including even Kenyan, have gone into with Kenya Power. And that recouping, you recoup it over a 20-year period. That's why you are saying. Once the Kenya Power has repaid, I'm calling them installments for these particular investments, over 20 years, it then possesses the plant. So actually, it's just like a loan. You take a loan, you have to repay a loan in installments, principal plus interest. That's the same concept that is here in a simplistic way.
Thousands of Kenyans sleep hungry.